CompTIA A plus 220120 Core 1 Important Questions.
Question 1. A technician is troubleshooting a laptop's connectivity via its universal serial bus C port to a projector. The same laptop works well when it is connected to a universal serial bus C docking station. The projector is configured as expected, and the universal serial bus C cable was tested on a charging port. Which of the following could be the issue? Option A. The universal serial bus C cable requires a power injector. Option B. The universal serial bus C cable is not compatible with Thunderbolt technology. Option C. The universal serial bus C cable needs an adapter to work with the laptop. Option D. The universal serial bus C cable does not support enough power.
The correct answer is option B. The universal serial bus C cable is not compatible with Thunderbolt technology. The correct answer is the universal serial bus C cable is not compatible with Thunderbolt technology.
Question 2. Which of the following can a user utilize to share their mobile phone connection with their laptop? Option A. Infrared. Option B. Near-field communication. Option C. Wireless Fidelity Direct. Option D. Tethering.
The correct answer is option D. Tethering. The correct answer is tethering.
Question 3. A user prints a spreadsheet in duplex mode. The spreadsheet is difficult to read because some of the columns spill onto the second side of the page. Which of the following should the user do to prevent the issue but still print on both sides of the page? Option A. Turn off duplex printing. Option B. Try a smaller font size in the spreadsheet. Option C. Change the page orientation. Option D. Use a different print driver.
The correct answer is option C. Change the page orientation. The correct answer is change the page orientation.
Question 4. The printer in a main office repeatedly jams. Which of the following tasks should a support technician do to solve the issue? Option A. Apply a maintenance kit. Option B. Replace toner or ink cartridges. Option C. Install a new ribbon. Option D. Change the print head.
The correct answer is option A. Apply a maintenance kit. The correct answer is apply a maintenance kit.
Question 5. Which of the following is an example of virtual desktop infrastructure? Option A. Streaming a GUI to thin clients from a server. Option B. Provisioning a sandbox as a test environment. Option C. Providing high-performance workstations with a local operating system. Option D. Launching a virtual machine server on a hypervisor.
The correct answer is option A. Streaming a GUI to thin clients from a server. The correct answer is streaming a GUI to thin clients from a server.
Question 6. Which of the following is a characteristic of Type 2 hypervisors? Option A. Bare metal installation. Option B. Need for an underlying operating system. Option C. Local management only. Option D. Specific hardware requirements.
The correct answer is option B. Need for an underlying operating system. The correct answer is need for an underlying operating system.
Question 7. Which of the following is an advantage of using a hybrid cloud instead of a public cloud? Option A. Ability to reduce management overhead. Option B. Ability to use cross-platform virtualization. Option C. Ability to meet data residency requirements. Option D. Ability to leverage infrastructure as a service and platform as a service.
The correct answer is option C. Ability to meet data residency requirements. The correct answer is ability to meet data residency requirements.
Question 8. Which of the following best represents the purpose of near-field communication? Option A. Wired connections between several devices. Option B. Short-distance wireless connections between two devices. Option C. Wireless connections between multiple devices at once. Option D. Direct connection of two computers for file sharing.
The correct answer is option B. Short-distance wireless connections between two devices. The correct answer is short-distance wireless connections between two devices.
Question 9. A customer reports their tablet was recently dropped on the ground. The tablet has a small crack in one corner of the display, and it does not charge when plugged in. Which of the following should a technician do first? Option A. Perform a hard restart. Option B. Replace the battery. Option C. Inspect the universal serial bus C port for damage. Option D. Run diagnostics on the digitizer.
The correct answer is option C. Inspect the universal serial bus C port for damage. The correct answer is inspect the universal serial bus C port for damage.
Question 10. Which of the following domain name system records would an administrator change to redirect email flow? Option A. Mail exchanger. Option B. Text. Option C. Sender policy framework. Option D. Canonical name.
The correct answer is option A. Mail exchanger. The correct answer is mail exchanger.
Question 11. A support technician receives a call stating that a user has added a device to the network. The user used the same configurations from another workstation. When both workstations are turned on, neither can access the network reliably. Which of the following is the most likely cause of the issue? Option A. The new computer has a duplicate Internet Protocol address. Option B. The domain name system server is registering both host names. Option C. The network cable was improperly terminated. Option D. The security on the switch port needs to be reset.
The correct answer is option A. The new computer has a duplicate Internet Protocol address. The correct answer is the new computer has a duplicate Internet Protocol address.
Question 12. An IT specialist sets up a wireless router in a small home office environment. Afterward, several devices cannot access the Internet and are assigned Internet Protocol addresses starting with 169.254. Which of the following is the best action to resolve this issue? Option A. Reboot the wireless router. Option B. Shorten the lease time. Option C. Use static Internet Protocol addresses. Option D. Increase the dynamic host configuration protocol pool size.
The correct answer is option A. Reboot the wireless router. The correct answer is reboot the wireless router.
Question 13. A user connects their laptop to a projector in a conference room. Once connected, the user reports the screen is smaller at the bottom than at the top. The user tries restarting the laptop and then disconnecting and reconnecting the cable to the projector. Which of the following should a technician do to resolve the issue? Option A. Replace the high-definition multimedia interface cable. Option B. Power cycle the projector. Option C. Adjust the keystone. Option D. Increase the resolution.
The correct answer is option C. Adjust the keystone. The correct answer is adjust the keystone.
Question 14. A technician is connecting a hands-free car system via Bluetooth. Which of the following is a security feature that should be used for this task? Option A. BitLocker. Option B. Biometrics. Option C. Trusted Platform Module. Option D. PIN code.
The correct answer is option D. PIN code. The correct answer is PIN code.
Question 15. Which of the following types of random access memory is best suited to handle errors within the module itself? Option A. Dual inline memory module. Option B. Dual channel. Option C. Error correcting code. Option D. Small outline dual inline memory module.
The correct answer is option C. Error correcting code. The correct answer is error correcting code.
Question 16. An end user's domain password expires while they are working from home. The end user tries to reset the password using Ctrl+Alt+Delete and then receives the following message: configuration information could not be read from the domain controller, either because the machine is unavailable or because access denied. Which of the following will resolve this issue? Option A. Restart the computer. Option B. Connect to the virtual private network. Option C. Reset the account in Active Directory. Option D. Join the wireless fidelity network.
The correct answer is option B. Connect to the virtual private network. The correct answer is connect to the virtual private network.
Question 17. A technician observes slow startup times on a laptop. Which of the following is most likely causing the issue? Option A. Hard disk drive. Option B. Random access memory. Option C. Network interface card. Option D. Basic input-output system.
The correct answer is option A. Hard disk drive. The correct answer is hard disk drive.
Question 18. A user tries to connect a monitor to a laptop to have an additional screen for work, but both screens show the same content. Which of the following should the user do to resolve the issue? Option A. Use the Add New Hardware assistant to add the monitor and set up the required settings. Option B. Purchase a docking station to connect both the laptop and the monitor. Option C. Configure the Windows tiling feature to display multiple windows. Option D. Go to the display settings and configure the external monitor as extended.
The correct answer is option D. Go to the display settings and configure the external monitor as extended. The correct answer is go to the display settings and configure the external monitor as extended.
Question 19. A technician needs to select personal computer components with a minimal number of visible internal cables. Which of the following should the technician use? Option A. Serial advanced technology attachment drive connections. Option B. Liquid cooling. Option C. Modular power supply. Option D. Wireless network interface card.
The correct answer is option C. Modular power supply. The correct answer is modular power supply.
Question 20. A systems administrator deploys BitLocker to all devices. However, one of the desktop personal computers is not able to encrypt the boot drive. Which of the following should the administrator check? Option A. Trusted Platform Module. Option B, central processing unit. Option C, random access memory. Option D, hard disk drive.
The correct answer is option A, trusted platform module. The correct answer is trusted platform module.
Question 21. Which of the following is a common feature of managed switches? Option A, remote device power delivery. Option B, port virtual local area network assignment. Option C, content filtering. Option D, load balancing.
The correct answer is option B, port virtual local area network assignment. The correct answer is port virtual local area network assignment.
Question 22. A computer displays an error message indicating there is insufficient storage when installing applications. The user reports slow application load times. Which of the following replacement components would best resolve this issue? Option A, solid-state drive. Option B, universal serial bus. Option C, hard disk drive. Option D, random access memory.
The correct answer is option A, solid-state drive. The correct answer is solid-state drive.
Question 23. Which of the following is a Bluetooth network an example of? Option A, personal area network. Option B, local area network. Option C, WAN. Option D, storage area network.
The correct answer is option A, personal area network. The correct answer is personal area network.
Question 24. A customer has several bare metal servers running a mix of Windows, Linux, and Unix operating systems. The customer wants to consolidate the servers but is concerned about data privacy and recurring costs. Which of the following solutions should a technician recommend? Option A, infrastructure as a service. Option B, containers. Option C, Type 2 hypervisor. Option D, virtual desktop infrastructure.
The correct answer is option C, Type 2 hypervisor. The correct answer is Type 2 hypervisor.
Question 25. A user prints a job from a laser printer. The user wipes the page, and the words and images come off of it. The technician replaces the toner cartridge, but the issue persists. Which of the following components should the technician replace next? Option A, fuser. Option B, drum. Option C, developer roller. Option D, discharge lamp.
The correct answer is option A, fuser. The correct answer is fuser.
Question 26. A technician is troubleshooting stylus issues on identical company-provided tablets. Users can purchase their own accessories. Some users have no issues, but others report that their styluses charge intermittently and die frequently. Which of the following is the most likely cause of this issue? Option A, certain cases are causing charging issues. Option B, the tablets need to be updated. Option C, some of the tablets have manufacturing defects. Option D, the malfunctioning styluses need firmware updates.
The correct answer is option A, certain cases are causing charging issues. The correct answer is certain cases are causing charging issues.
Question 27. A technician is troubleshooting internet connectivity issues after a firewall update. Users report that they can access local network resources, such as printers and shares, but cannot access the internet. Which of the following settings is most likely causing the issue? Option A, static internet protocol assignments. Option B, default gateway. Option C, subnet mask. Option D, virtual local area networks.
The correct answer is option B, default gateway. The correct answer is default gateway.
Question 28. Which of the following has the best penetration through physical objects, such as walls? Option A, 2.4 GHz. Option B, 5 GHz. Option C, 6 GHz. Option D, near-field communication.
The correct answer is option A, 2.4 GHz. The correct answer is 2.4 GHz.
Question 29. After a technician installs a new motherboard, the computer will not start and fails power on self-test. The technician verifies the power supply is functioning as expected, and the central processing unit is installed correctly. Which of the following steps should the technician complete next? Option A, flash the basic input-output system. Option B, check the complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery. Option C, reseat the random access memory. Option D, reinstall the old motherboard.
The correct answer is option C, reseat the random access memory. The correct answer is reseat the random access memory.
Question 30. A high-end workstation with a redundant array of independent disks 5 array is exhibiting slow data access speeds and occasional errors when retrieving files. The technician investigates further and notices one of the hard drives in the redundant array of independent disks array has an amber light. Which of the following steps should the technician take to troubleshoot and resolve the issues? Option A, review network issues that might be causing slow speeds. Option B, upgrade all redundant array of independent disks drives to higher capacity models to increase data access speeds. Option C, replace the failing drive, and then allow the redundant array of independent disks controller to rebuild the array. Option D, reformat all drives in the redundant array of independent disks array to clear any software issues that might be causing the errors.
The correct answer is option C. Replace the failing drive, and then allow the redundant array of independent disks controller to rebuild the array. The correct answer is replace the failing drive, and then allow the redundant array of independent disks controller to rebuild the array.
Question 31. A user is unable to access secure applications on their tablet when working from home a couple days per week, but the applications work when in the office. Which of the following services most likely needs to be reconfigured to allow for remote work? Option A, Global Positioning System. Option B, Mobile Device Management. Option C, Wireless Fidelity Protected Access. Option D, Near-Field Communication.
The correct answer is option B, Mobile Device Management. The correct answer is Mobile Device Management.
Question 32. A technician is working on a redundant array of independent disks, one array that is apparently degraded. The technician verifies the random access memory and power are both operating as expected. Which of the following can the technician do to further isolate the issue? Option A, perform individual drive diagnostics. Option B, run the check disk positive F command. Option C, rebuild the redundant array of independent disks array. Option D, reconfigure the array as redundant array of independent disks 0.
The correct answer is option A, perform individual drive diagnostics. The correct answer is perform individual drive diagnostics.
Question 33. A technician is troubleshooting a desktop personal computer that is plugged into an uninterruptible power supply. The personal computer loses the system date time after every power outage. Which of the following should the technician do to resolve the issue? Choose 2. Option A, run a basic input-output system update. Option B, swap out the random access memory. Option C, disable network time protocol in the operating system. Option D, repair the backup power source. Option E, replace the complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery. Option F, install a surge protector.
The correct answers are options D and E. Repair the backup power source. Replace the complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery. The correct answer is repair the backup power source, replace the complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery.
Question 34. Which of the following would prevent a virtual machine from communicating with any endpoints on a network or the internet? Option A, virtual desktop infrastructure. Option B, private cloud. Option C, sandbox. Option D, type 1 hypervisor.
The correct answer is option C, sandbox. The correct answer is sandbox.
Question 35. A user is having issues when charging a device with a lightning cable. The cable is not recognized when it is plugged into the device. This issue is usually resolved by flipping the cable over. This issue does not occur with other devices of the same type. Which of the following would most likely cause the issue? Option A, the device needs to be restarted. Option B, the battery may be swelling and needs inspection. Option C, the cable is failing and needs to be replaced. Option D, the charging port is dirty or damaged.
The correct answer is option C, the cable is failing and needs to be replaced. The correct answer is the cable is failing and needs to be replaced.
Question 36. A technician is troubleshooting issues occurring on a user's mobile device. Applications and the operating system have slow response times, even when performing simple tasks, such as writing an email. Additionally, new applications occasionally fail to launch. Which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, move the device to a room with a colder temperature. Option B, close unnecessary programs. Option C, reset to factory default settings. Option D, check the battery health of the device.
The correct answer is option D, check the battery health of the device. The correct answer is check the battery health of the device.
Question 37. Which of the following is an advantage of using virtual desktop infrastructure? Option A, authentication is not required on a domain. Option B, licensing costs are minimized. Option C, less manual configuration is needed for each workstation. Option D, a virus is automatically contained locally.
The correct answer is option C, less manual configuration is needed for each workstation. The correct answer is less manual configuration is needed for each workstation.
Question 38. A company wants its redundant array of independent disks array set up so that it could lose multiple drives and still have redundancy. Which of the following configurations should the company choose? Option A, redundant array of independent disks 0. Option B, redundant array of independent disks 1. Option C, redundant array of independent disks 5. Option D, redundant array of independent disk 6.
The correct answer is option D, redundant array of independent disk 6. The correct answer is redundant array of independent disk 6.
Question 39. A group of friends is gathering in a room to play video games. One of the friends has a game server. Which of the following network types should the group use so they can all connect to the same server and the internet? Option A, storage area network. Option B, metropolitan area network. Option C, local area network. Option D, personal area network.
The correct answer is option C, local area network. The correct answer is local area network.
Question 40. While using a computer, a user reports that the system fan begins running loudly and the display starts to distort. Which of the following is occurring? Option A, overheating. Option B, sluggish performance. Option C, overclocking central processing unit. Option D, crashing applications.
The correct answer is option A, overheating. The correct answer is overheating.
Question 41. Which of the following storage options would a technician most likely recommend to have large amounts of affordable capacity without concern for read times on a desktop computer? Option A, 750 GB non-volatile memory express M.2 solid-state drive. Option B, 2x1 TB peripheral component interconnect express solid-state drive in redundant array of independent disks 1. Option C, 2 TB serial advanced technology attachment 3.55, 400 RPM hard disk drive. Option D, for TBSAS 2.515, 000 RPM hard disk drive.
The correct answer is option C, 2 TB serial advanced technology attachment 3.55, 400 RPM hard disk drive. The correct answer is 2 TB serial advanced technology attachment 3.55, 400 RPM hard disk drive.
Question 42. Which of the following tools would a technician use to connect wires to an registered Jack 45 connector? Option A, crimper. Option B, cable stripper. Option C, punch down. Option D, loopback plug.
The correct answer is option A, crimper. The correct answer is crimper.
Question 43. A company needs to develop a disaster recovery solution based on virtual machines. Which of the following service models is the most suitable? Option A, infrastructure as a service. Option B, security as a service. Option C, platform as a service. Option D, software as a service.
The correct answer is option A, infrastructure as a service. The correct answer is infrastructure as a service.
Question 44. A technician is troubleshooting an all-in-one laser printer that prints a vertical line when making copies and scans. When users print or receive faxes, the output from the printer is correct. Which of the following should the technician examine to determine the cause of the issue? Option A, the pickup rollers. Option B, the corona wire. Option C, the document feeder. Option D, the drum assembly.
The correct answer is option D, the drum assembly. The correct answer is the drum assembly.
Question 45. Which of the following cable types can be used to transfer data and video? Option A, universal serial bus C. Option B, high definition multimedia interface. Option C, DisplayPort. Option D, video graphics array.
The correct answer is option A, universal serial bus C. The correct answer is universal serial bus C.
Question 46. Which of the following drive interfaces is typically used in server systems but not in home computers? Option A, non-volatile memory express. Option B, serial attached SCSI. Option C, serial advanced technology attachment. Option D, peripheral component interconnect express.
The correct answer is option B, serial attached SCSI. The correct answer is serial attached SCSI.
Question 47. A technician needs to confirm that desktop personal computers can be deployed to a global, remote workforce. Which of the following specifications should the technician validate? Option A, input voltage. Option B, basic input-output system language support. Option C, supply chain security. Option D, power efficiency.
The correct answer is option A, input voltage. The correct answer is input voltage.
Question 48. A user is traveling internationally. They can make and receive phone calls but cannot send or receive email. Which of the following would most likely resolve this issue? Option A, disabling the global positioning system. Option B, enabling data roaming. Option C, configuring fourth generation usage only. Option D, connecting using a hotspot.
The correct answer is option B, enabling data roaming. The correct answer is enabling data roaming.
Question 49. A customer needs to install a new printer in their network. The customer reports that users had intermittent connectivity issues with previous printers. Which of the following should the technician configure on the new printer to prevent this issue? Option A, Gateway Internet Protocol address. Option B, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol Internet Protocol address. Option C, Static Internet Protocol address. Option D, Public Internet Protocol address.
The correct answer is option C, Static Internet Protocol address. The correct answer is Static Internet Protocol address.
Question 50. A user reports that the printouts from a laser printer have lines and smudges on them. The printer is also intermittently misvietting the paper. Which of the following components should a technician replace to address this issue? Option A, fuser. Option B, maintenance kit. Option C, corona wire. Option D, toner cartridge.
The correct answer is option B, maintenance kit. The correct answer is maintenance kit.
Question 51. A projector has been shutting down after 30 minutes of use, and it has a strange smell. The technician confirms the power source is not the cause of the issue. Which of the following steps should the technician take next to resolve this issue? Option A, replace the bulb. Option B, check the projector configuration. Option C, clean the filter. Option D, adjust the gamma settings.
The correct answer is option C, clean the filter. The correct answer is clean the filter.
Question 52. A user wants to print files from an overseas office using a shared network folder. The user's laptop has no public-facing internet connectivity. Which of the following can be used to print from the shared network folder? Option A, automatic document feeder. Option B, universal serial bus. Option C, printer command language. Option D, server message block.
The correct answer is option D, server message block. The correct answer is server message block.
Question 53. Which of the following is the best to use when testing a file for potential malware? Option A, multi-tenancy. Option B, test development. Option C, cross-platform virtualization. Option D, sandbox.
The correct answer is option D, sandbox. The correct answer is sandbox.
Question 54. Which of the following utilizes specialized ports on a laptop to expand the local connection options? Option A, near-field communication adapter. Option B, docking station. Option C, port replicator. Option D, universal serial bus dongle.
The correct answer is option B, docking station. The correct answer is docking station.
Question 55. A company has a main office and 20 branch offices. The company wants to have a backup network connection to allow connectivity if the main fiber connection goes down. The company does not want to create new infrastructure. Which of the following should the company use? Option A, cable. Option B, cellular. Option C, DSL. Option D, storage area network.
The correct answer is option B, cellular. The correct answer is cellular.
Question 56. Which of the following provides electricity to devices through network cables? Option A, edge router. Option B, power over Ethernet switch. Option C, access point. Option D, patch panel.
The correct answer is option B, power over Ethernet switch. The correct answer is power over Ethernet switch.
Question 57. Which of the following should be used when installing network cabling above a drop ceiling that is part of the shared airspace? Option A, shielded twisted. Option B, plenum rated. Option C, optical. Option D, coaxial.
The correct answer is option B, plenum rated. The correct answer is plenum rated.
Question 58. A technician is installing a new printer. After registering the printer, the technician receives an email from the manufacturer stating there is a security vulnerability that can be remediated. Which of the following steps should the technician take next? Option A, disable wireless connectivity. Option B, enable audit logging. Option C, update the firmware. Option D, disable the default gateway on the printer.
The correct answer is option C, update the firmware. The correct answer is update the firmware.
Question 59. A user reports that their desktop personal computer does not turn on. Which of the following components would most likely cause the issue? Option A, power supply unit. Option B, graphics processing unit. Option C, random access memory. Option D, central processing unit.
The correct answer is option A, power supply unit. The correct answer is power supply unit.
Question 60. A company deploys server machines in a public cloud. Which of the following cloud service models is this an example of? Option A, platform as a service. Option B, anything as a service. Option C, infrastructure as a service. Option D, software as a service.
The correct answer is option C, infrastructure as a service. The correct answer is infrastructure as a service.
Question 61. Which of the following could a user employ to maximize module bandwidth when selecting memory for a high-end gaming computer? Option A, error correction. Option B, random access memory voltage. Option C, channel configuration. Option D, physical module size.
The correct answer is option C, channel configuration. The correct answer is channel configuration.
Question 62. Which of the following cloud models would multiple organizations in the same industry most likely use? Option A, public. Option B, hybrid. Option C, community. Option D, private.
The correct answer is option C, community. The correct answer is community.
Question 63. A technician recently updated the firmware on a dual basic input-output system motherboard. Following the update, the system has been stuck in a boot loop and cannot start an operating system from any internal or external device. The technician cannot access the unified extensible firmware interface menu either. Which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, enable the secondary configuration. Option B, downgrade the firmware via universal serial bus. Option C, start a warranty repair of the motherboard. Option D, reapply thermal paste to the central processing unit.
The correct answer is option A, enable the secondary configuration. The correct answer is enable the secondary configuration.
Question 64. A technician is troubleshooting a connectivity issue on a network computer. The technician runs ipconfig in a command prompt and receives the following Internet Protocol address, 169.254.0.6. Which of the following is most likely the type of Internet Protocol address being assigned? Option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol Reservation Assignment. Option B, Dynamic Assignment. Option C, Self-Assignment. Option D, Static Assignment.
The correct answer is option C, self-assignment. The correct answer is self-assignment.
Question 65. A technician is troubleshooting a network issue. Users report that the connection keeps dropping and reconnecting every few seconds. The technician verifies the network configuration settings are correct on the workstation, tests the network cable from the workstation to the switch and finds no issues, uses a known good workstation on the existing network cable and replicates the reported issue. Which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, add new network hardware to reduce congestion. Option B, assign a static Internet protocol to the impacted workstations. Option C, validate the environment for external interference. Option D, check the network logs for evidence of port flapping.
The correct answer is option D, check the network logs for evidence of port flapping. The correct answer is check the network logs for evidence of port flapping.
Question 66. A technician needs to move a workstation to a different logical network segment. Which of the following technologies should the technician use? Option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Option B, Virtual Local Area Network. Option C, Domain Name System. Option D, Virtual Private Network.
The correct answer is option B, Virtual Local Area Network. The correct answer is Virtual Local Area Network.
Question 67. Which of the following cloud models exclusively utilizes a local data center? Option A, private. Option B, public. Option C, hybrid. Option D, community.
The correct answer is option A, private. The correct answer is private.
Question 68. A network administrator must ensure that a printer will still be assigned a specific Internet Protocol address even if all addresses are depleted. Which of the following network configuration concepts is this describing? Option A, Virtual Local Area Network. Option B, lease. Option C, reservation. Option D, exclusion.
The correct answer is option C, reservation. The correct answer is reservation.
Question 69. A customer reports slow network speeds. Which of the following components is most likely failing? Option A, Central Processing Unit. Option B, Network Interface Card. Option C, Hard Disk Drive. Option D, Random Access Memory.
The correct answer is option B, Network Interface Card. The correct answer is Network Interface Card.
Question 70. Which of the following port numbers is used for a file transfer? Option A, 21. Option B, 53. Option C, 68. Option D, 389.
The correct answer is option A, 21. The correct answer is 21.
Question 71. Which of the following servers is used to collect data and information about events from a network-connected host? Option A, Domain Name System. Option B, Mail. Option C, Print. Option D, syslog.
The correct answer is option D, syslog. The correct answer is syslog.
Question 72. A user reports slow internet browsing. The technician finds high central processing unit and memory usage, and pop uninterruptible power supply occur every minute. Which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, escalate to the network team to check end-to-end connectivity. Option B, download and install the latest drivers. Option C, update the anti-malware signatures and scan the system. Option D, check the wireless settings and validate the dynamic host configuration protocol configuration.
The correct answer is option C. Update the anti-malware signatures and scan the system. The correct answer is update the anti-malware signatures and scan the system.
Question 73. A help desk technician inspects a laptop keyboard because a single key has stopped working. The technician checks the keyboard for debris. Which of the following actions should the technician do next to troubleshoot the issue cost-effectively? Option A, replace the keyboard. Option B, replace the key switch. Option C, replace the circuit board. Option D, replace the keycap.
The correct answer is option B. Replace the key switch. The correct answer is replace the key switch.
Question 74. A technician has built a new computer. On the initial startup, the computer passes power on self-test but will not turn on the operating system. Which of the following components has failed? Option A, audio card. Option B, central processing unit. Option C, power supply. Option D, hard disk drive.
The correct answer is option D, hard disk drive. The correct answer is hard disk drive.
Question 75. Which of the following resolutions is commonly known as ultra-high definition? Option A, 1920 x 1080. Option B, 2048 x 1080. Option C, 3840 x 2160. Option D, 7680 x 4320.
The correct answer is option C, 3840 x 2160. The correct answer is 3840 x 2160.